Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Minky and this is the Glam Guide. Welcome to another vlog, actually the first vlog in a very long time, and we're going to talk about that. Okay, I wish I could say that I'm glad to be back, but that, my dear gorgeous glammies, would be a bold-faced lie. I filmed a video, I think you guys will see it in the upcoming days, as to sort of like where I've been literally just working so much. I felt very like spread thin. I was getting sick very often. I missed you guys, but I didn't miss YouTube. I didn't miss the politics of it. I've gotten to a point where I love YouTube so much, but it keeps on disappointing me. I really have tried to give you guys like good content and whatever, and I don't see a lot of like growth. I've considered quitting a couple of times this year. I have not been enjoying it as much as I used to. It doesn't excite me. I don't feel excited by it. There are other things in my life that now excite me and fulfill me, and YouTube is no longer one of those things. Not right now. I'm hoping that maybe once I start to get back in it, like that spark and that passion and stuff will come back. That's why we're doing this vlog as an experiment to see. But it hasn't been doing anything for me, and it's really disappointing because I do love it, but it's just the YouTube algorithm is just really not a great place right now, okay, for content creators. Well, for some. So, oh, by the way, did you guys see my piercings? So I got my ears pierced. I got my conch done, so this one goes like right through my ear. And then I got my date done as well. Can you guys see that? I love these piercings. I got them done at the piercery. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, I did like a whole reel on there and stuff, so have a look at that. Okay, let's go to my room. Let's go. Can you guys see that? It's very chaotic in here, guys. I'm not even going to lie. So we're going to clean up. Hopefully by the time we're done cleaning up and doing the closet, then the power will be back and I can carry on with my work day, because this is ghetto. Hey guys, so as you can see, it is nighttime, but success, tidy, so tidy. I'm so glad I managed to sort my room out because it was really stressing me out, and my closet. And if you guys are interested, I've taken out more pieces. If you guys are interested, I do have a yaga where I sell my clothes that I do not wear anymore. I typically take very good care of my clothing, and the reason that I sell it is because either it doesn't fit me anymore or it doesn't fit my style. It's all there, okay, if you guys are interested. So anyways, it is like 6 o'clock now, 8 minutes past 6. Power just came back. Since 2 o'clock it's been gone, load shedding. It's leaving again at 10 o'clock, so it's a lot. So we have to like charge our electronics and eat and cook and do whatever we need to do before power goes out again. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It is currently 20 past 6 in the morning. Last time I saw you guys, I think it was just before I got my hair done. So I got my hair done, I got my braids taken out, and then, you know, you guys know me, okay, back on my regular. I also got my nails done. Can you guys see? These are so pretty, like very nude and natural. Anyway, it is Tuesday morning today, 20 past 6. I am ready. I've been up since 4 a.m. I am ready to go to the airport because I'm going to Cape Town today. I'm going for a quick work trip. I'm literally just in and out. I'm spending the night and I'm going to see my girlies. I'm so excited. So we're off to the airport and I will see you guys a little bit later. Cape Town. Kirsty's right in the back. Hey girl, hey. And Sammy's here. Team Pals.
Team Pals 2022.
Let's go. We're so excited. You look fantastic.
Thank you, my darling.
We're so...
You have never seen a bigger power duo than this. Well, actually, trio. Apologies.
Leave me out, why don't you? I'm so excited. Love you, girls.
Love you.
We were silly. We should have gone earlier to do like our vlogging and stuff, eh?
I mean, we still can.
Yeah, let's go now then. Let's
So when you want Minky here? Okay. Sorry, she said small butt.
We are done. We are ordering dessert.
We are ordering a little bit of cheesecake.
We're gonna have a lot of cheese in the pasta also. It's
No,
just
we
a
actually
lot
are.
of,
Like some chocolate would be good.
yeah, because me and lactose intolerant
That's
guys.
a nice light.
I'll get chocolate 1 liter.
Yeah.
What, a 1 liter of wine? A
Chocolate mousse.
box of
Chocolate
wine. Oh.
No, we don't do boxes over here, okay? Glass bottles only.
It's only in the past like week that we don't drink box wine anymore.
Girl, speak for yourself.
We
I
don't
ain't
drink
no
pop
pop suck poppy, okay?
I'll see if
Kirsten is doing a recon as we speak. We literally asked for champagne and cake and she's like, I don't think this is feasible. Good morning everyone. Okay, so it is Thursday. I got back from Cape Town yesterday and the power's out, but it should be back soon. I've been working. I cleaned my room this morning. I've been working, and then when the power comes back I need to take a shower, do my makeup, then I'm gonna start filming. I have not filmed in forever, and I've decided I'm gonna try and make Thursdays like my content days, like Tuesdays and Thursdays, because we've been here before, okay? I don't need to go through it again. Anyways, also tonight I have a Maybelline event and then I'm going to a dinner. Just wanted to check in. My face is awful puffy, my skin is dry. We're just going through a lot right now, okay? But it is what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna go get ready and then we're gonna film, and then yeah, I'll see you guys a little later. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do because my eyes are so irritated today. I know they've been watering and my eyelashes are compromised, okay? It's not looking good, so I'm gonna have to take glue with me because I feel like they might just, okay? Like my nose is running, my eyes are watering, like I don't know, I'm so stressed. Okay, we're gonna get it together. Let me do this and just try to get my life right. Thank you. Okay guys, this is my outfit. We have arrived. Hi. I just need to fix my bra, but this is what we're looking like. Jimmy Choo, YDE, H&M, Louis Vuitton. Cute. Let's go. still pretty as fuck, cute as fuck. We're at Banchan. It's Saturday. We're about to eat. I'm with my homegirls. I'm vlogging on my phone.
Talk about you.
Guys, this is literally one of my favorite drinks, makgeolli. It's the Korean version of umkomoti, and it tastes exactly the same.
Just with like a flavor, very strong flavor.
Yeah.
Flavor, yeah.
It's literally, it tastes almost exactly the same. This is a peach flavored one, but like the plain one tastes exactly like it. Food is here. This looks so good. Oh my days. Hey everybody, I'm with Tuli. She's literally, she saw me in the shopping center. She was just like, girl, you better get on it because it's not geeky what you're doing.
No, it's not.
It's so nice meeting you, babe. Hey guys, hi guys. So I just left the mall. You guys saw I ran into Tuli. I actually didn't get a chance to compliment her on her skin. Like, her skin is popping, but that's one thing about us glammies, okay? Let me tell you something. Anyways, so I just finished at the mall. My camera moved, but it's fine. I need to show you guys what I got, okay? Please. And don't say that I didn't put you on, because I'm about to put you guys on to something very nice. I'm wearing this hat again today. So when I wore it over the weekend, it was for swag, but today is because my hair looks like a rat's nest, okay? So that's where we at. Anyways, I will see you guys when I get home. Okay, as I suspected, there's no power. So I'm just using my phone to vlog. But look at this hat that I picked up from Woolworths. It was also on sale for like 244 Rand. So this is going to be my winter sporty. And I also picked up these slippers because I don't actually have slippers, so they're so cute. Then can we just have a moment for this tracksuit from H&M? Please don't say I didn't put you guys on, okay? It's 600 for the set, 630 or something, 600 and something for the set. The top was 330, bottoms 330, so it's 660 for the set. The pants, I got them in an extra small, and then the top I got it in a small because I have broad shoulders and big boobs. So there's that. But how nice. I have plans for this outfit, guys. Love her, okay? Obsessed. And I also got this. So this top is from H&M. I got it in an extra small because I wanted it to fit tight. It's a Rolling Stones t-shirt, which is super cute. And like, I like these kinds of t-shirts just for like hanging out or just wearing with like jeans and a leather jacket, like just very chill. And then these jeans I love. These are from Woolworths, RE denim. Yep. So, and they're like bootleg. Can you guys see? I don't know how good the light is, but they're like a bootleg cut. And I feel like they're so flattering. So with some nice heels or sneakers and a jacket, and there's that. Also picked these two bodysuits up. I'm going to show you the second one, but listen guys, I actually bought these 2 weeks ago and then I was going to show them to you guys, but now these are actually on sale. Please, Woolworths, run, don't walk, okay? H&M, run, don't walk. Don't say I didn't put you on. This is $2.99, but it's now on sale. And then I have mine in an extra small. Both of these are in an extra small, and then this one was $3.50. I know that they are on sale because I saw them with my own two eyes, okay? And they come in different colors. I know this one also comes in like a pink, so this is a high neck one. It also comes in like a pink and a different color, I forgot. And then I'm not 100% sure what other colors this comes in, but I got the gray one and it is on sale. I can confirm. Today is Monday, and you're probably going to see this on Wednesday, like the same week. I'm going to make it out. I'm going to put it out. What date is Wednesday? The 13th of July. So these should still be available at Woolworths. That is it for today's vlog, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. My first vlog in a really long time. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm looking forward to doing more. I'm also going to be doing like more fashion content. I feel like I'm just really into that right now. So expect more fashion content, and I will try and be a little bit more consistent. Look, I'm not making any promises. I'm a busy girl, but I really do want to like get back on here because like I genuinely do miss you guys when I'm away. So I will try my best, and I hope it'll be good enough. Anyways, I love you guys also so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.